Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about natural law for the both sides. And we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. Fn8 to the power over of b equals to b Fn8. So, this one, we know that s squared that is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, this one s to the power of 2. So s that is about 8. Number 2 that is about b. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one, we have first derivative of y over y. So this one, we need to do first derivative of s to the power of s multiplied by f and s. Later that, we need to do first derivative of f and s multiplied by s to the power of s. So this one we already know that is about 1 over s. Now we need to consider about this one. So I will put about t equals to s to the power of s. And now we need to put about natural log for the both sides. And now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one from here into this one. Next, we need to do first derivative of f and t. And we have like this. This one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over s. So s divided by s, we have number 1. Now we multiply both sides by t. About t, that is about s to the power of s. And this is about first derivative of this one. And now we go back in here. So the first derivative of this one, that is about this one. Next, we multiply both sides by y. And we know that y that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.